Alright guys, I know I'm a little bit late to the game here, but just got Photoshop beta and recently took this photo on a backpacking trip. My tripod broke on me ahead of time, so I was completely handheld the whole time. So I stitched this pano together and clearly did not get the whole lake. I missed a little bit here. So I wanted to try this beta version and see if the generative fill would be able to help me out here. So what I'm going to do is expand the section and then go to this rectangular mask tool to get a little bit, leave a little bit on the top and the bottom so it has a sample size there, and then press this to reverse what you want to fill, and then press generative fill, and don't do anything. If you leave it blank, it'll just do like a selection tool and generate that. But wow, look at that. Are you kidding me? Like, that is too good.